QR codes have proven to be an effective marketing tool. They've helped many brands grow and boost sales. So with QRTIGER, you can achieve this and more. Stay tuned and we'll show you how.
One of the common issues in the logistics industry involves the most crucial element that runs it: communication. This is inevitable since the process includes a lot of people like manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, and retailers. What if I tell you there is a tool that helps in solving this problem, that helps cut down costs and takes you a step further towards digital innovation? With QR codes, you can automate complex processes for more efficient operations and build a trusted brand. It's also a great marketing tool that helps in networking and spreading brand awareness. Continue watching to find out more. Here are some ways QR codes can help improve the operations of your logistics company. Number 1. Monitoring inventory and marketing. With manual tracking always comes the danger of human error. To avoid mistakes, you can assign a QR code for each package for easier tracking. Your inventory will then be automated with just a scan, saving you time and energy. There is also a way where you can monitor your inventory and promote your website at the same time when you use QR codes on your packaging. You can embed your QR codes with a link that leads to a page, depending on the scanner used. If you use your inventory scanner, it will go to your inventory system. If a consumer scans it, it will lead them to your website or social media page. Number 2. Tracking cargo. QR codes make it faster to update your shipment's location, therefore making it easier to track them. Turn hours of manual work into minutes. Instead of writing down every shipment that comes and then manually typing it in the computer to update the website, you can just scan the assigned QR code. Number 3. Package information. You can only fit in so much text and store limited information on package labels. A QR code solves this problem since you can store a long list of information in it. Number 4. Shipment documents. Shipment documents are always at risk of being torn or tampered with during transport. You can prevent this by storing your documents digitally with QR codes. Just go to QRTIGER.com to create an H5 page where you can keep all documents like shipment details, receipts, courier's copy, and receiver's copy. After that, you can generate your H5 QR code and put it on your shipment. You now have pages of data safely stored in just a square inch of code. Number 5. Advertising. You can also use QR codes for advertising. Put up a URL QR code on your posters to make it easier for customers to avail of your services. Embed a QR code with your website's URL in 7 easy steps. Step 1. Go to QRTIGER.com. Step 2. Choose the QR code solution you need. Step 3. Type in or paste your link. Step 4. Choose Dynamic QR, since it lets you edit and track data as opposed to a static QR code. The data then helps you create smart campaigns for a more effective way of marketing your products and services. Step 5. Click Generate QR code. Step 6. Customize the look and feel of your QR code. Tip: make sure you are satisfied with how your QR code looks, because you won't be able to edit it after clicking Done Editing or Download. You can also choose a design from the customizable templates below. If you customized your own QR code design, you can save it as a template by ticking Save as Template box. Step 7. Once you're done editing and reviewing your data, click Done Editing or Download button. Integrating QR codes in your business can automate your operations, which helps you save time and money, give you more time to accommodate more packages, resulting to an increase in sales, help you convert customers to patronize your services, and more. Go to QRTIGER.com to generate your own QR codes today.
That's it. If you want to learn more, don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell for the latest updates. You can also go to QRTIGER's website to start creating your own custom QR codes. And for further education on QR codes, click the link to our blog in the description box below. This has been David. I'll see you in the next video.